Hey G-Squad, welcome back to the episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we got this cool mismatch right here. And basically what this is a memory foam pet bed. If you can see the one that we got right here is from a brand called Bedsure. So first I'm actually open a product to show you guys what the inside looks like. Alright, so once you guys open up, this actually looks like inside. So you can definitely see how the product is all nicely compressed inside. But let's take it out. Alright, so once you guys take it out, there's basically two bags inside. So I'm assuming this side right here is basically the memory foam. And basically this side right here is the cover. So I'm actually show you guys what the cover looks like before I should open up the memory foam. Alright, so once you guys open up, you can definitely see that's actually pretty big. The one that we got right here is a large size, but they do have this available in bigger size or small size as well. But definitely when you guys see the material on here, it feels super nice. It definitely has like a very soft fleece material on here that feels really soft. And definitely in the front part right here, they do have the brand logo as well. And then on the bottom part here, they do have like non-slip material. And basically for this part right here, or the cover, you guys can definitely store in a machine to wash it and dry it. So that is the first part right here. Now let's open up the memory foam. So right here we do have the memory foam. Let's take it out. Alright, so once you guys take it out, this is basically what the product looks right here. So definitely when you guys first take it out, it might take some time for it to actually fully expand. But see right here we do have a cover. So when you guys open up, this is basically what the inside looks like. So definitely two different layers of memory foam on here. So basically the blue layer on top is the top layer, and the bottom layer here is the support foam. So when you guys set it up, you definitely make sure the white part is in the bottom and the blue part is on top. And definitely for this white cover here, you can definitely throw a machine to wash it and dry it. But this is basically what the inside looks like. Then actually zip it back up. So definitely for the product, it's going to take some time for it to actually fully expand. But let's put it into the cover first. Alright, so once you guys put it in, this actually looks like on this side. If you guys flip it to the other side, this actually looks like on this side. And definitely see right here, we do have like a folded option because the product is not fully expanded yet. So we do have to let it fully expand. But definitely see in the front part here, we do have the brand logo, Bedsure. But that is basically everything that's on the product here. Let me actually go set this up and test it out with our pet. And then we'll come back and talk more product in a second. Alright, so this is basically what the product looks like once you guys set it up. So when you guys try to move it around, it won't move because of that non-slip material that's on here. But now let's put our pet on top and show you guys what the product looks like. Alright, so I see the product definitely does work. If you see how she fits the pet perfectly. Alright, welcome back guys. So nice and quick test, the product definitely actually does work and she works quite well. So definitely when you guys see the material of the bed, it actually feels really nice. I definitely love how soft the material feels on here, so that way when your pet actually goes on top, they actually will get really good comfort. And also another thing that's actually really cool is the fact that the inner layer, that part is actually waterproof. So if you guys get water on the product, it's completely fine. But that is basically everything that's on the product right here. Now to go unboxing and testing product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product here, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one of these warranties. Especially if you guys are trying to look for a high quality memory foam pet bed that also has like the waterproof option and has a very similar design as this one right here. Then I would definitely have to say that it's super worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save the money for something else that you do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out and it'll definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.